I ain't gonna show your face, man, because you wrong as a motherfucker, man. But I got you on goddamn camera, man. Guess what came up to the shop today? A motherfucking nigga with some Uggs now. A nigga with some Uggs now. I mean, do they do that now? I mean, they got that little Oosa dude, a little Boosie, who the hell he is, driving wearing skirts and shit. They might be wearing Uggs now, too.
They got the nigga Uggs now.
They got the nigga Uggs now. Wow, man, these guys at the shop, man. Hey, man, welcome back to the channel, man. Appreciate you guys giving me a little bit of your time, man. It's OG Triple, man. Listen, the weather out here, it's been crazy. We had some good days, and then we had some not so good days. We got jackets on again around here. Toboggans, you know, it's got a little bite in the air. But anyway, I got a 2010, XC90 Volvo. I may have had a previous video on this car about the PCV valve. But anyway, if I didn't, this is what I'm going to change today on it. The PCV valve. Now, the customer, he tried to do a little something himself. And let me take this cover off. I got it kind of off. Okay, take it off. And you can see right here. Okay, he put some glue there. I don't know if you guys can kind of see that, but I'm going to see if I can get you down a little closer. So bear with me. We can zero in. Okay, right there. Now this guy put a little glue here. Okay, trying to glue. Well, it's actually tape and glue. I don't know, but anyway, the system is a PCV valve. It operates like a PCV valve on some other cars, but on this Volvo, this is their setup. Okay, and what you have to do, you have to change this whole assembly out. Okay, my Star Bit 2 set, Steve. You get my Star Bit 2 set. You know, it's on that cart on the second shelf. And you change this assembly out right here. It's got probably about 14 bolts on it. Hang on, I'm gonna let you guys see it. Okay. Of course, Amazon, eBay, whichever one. But I had him to go ahead and order it, and then once it came in, get it back. I did not put that glue there. It might have slowed it down. He done that on his own. But I'm glad he did something, because here at the shop, I'm not going to let him just sit around. You understand? This ain't that type of shop. You hear me? You got to get them in and you got to get them out. That's why I see you making money at. Now, some of the big boys, they can get cars and let them linger around for months and years at a time. But me, Daryl ain't gonna do that. They gotta come in and out. And certain specific types of cars will have your shop looking like a damn junkyard, because you always got to order something. You always got to order something, and you're always waiting on something. If you specialize in these type of cars, you understand? There's the diaphragm up in there. You see that blue diaphragm up in there? That's what's busted in it. See this diaphragm? That's what's busted in it. This right here. That's why you see the tape and glue. But they don't just let you change this little thing here. Look like you could just pop it off and pop that on. They make you get the whole assembly. Okay, it has a rubber seal right here on it. And then, like I said, it's got about 14 bolts. It's like that. Okay. These right here are just to pin this right here back. Okay. So we're gonna go ahead and change that out, guys. And see what we got from that point on. So just okay, guys, back. A little quick fix like this. And just pop them up. So many of them. That's why I'm taking it off like this with this impact gun, because you're gonna be screwing for days messing with it. here. Gonna need a ratchet, 3/8 ratchet. See it?
I thought so.
I can't get the gun back there. All the places I was able to get it, I did. Yep. See that, guys? Okay? Just take these bolts off right here. Take all of them out. It just lifts up. There's nothing fancy about it. It just lifts up. Okay? Put the other one on. Plug all your sensors back up. I moved this one out the way and I unplugged that one. And that's how you would put or replace the PCV valve assembly on a XC90 Volvo 2010 model. If you feel that this video was helpful, please subscribe to the channel, guys. Hit that like button and share it. Till next time.